In this video, I'm going to teach you how to brainstorm using Miro. In order to do that, first head over to Miro.com and from in there, input right here your work email or your Gmail and proceed to click on this sign up free option. So once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to have an account. So since I already have one, let me just proceed to click onto this login option right here. So Miro is actually a collaborative AI-powered whiteboard tool that you can use. So let's proceed and use it. Now here is my actual dashboard. In order to brainstorm, you need to actually select an appropriate template from the Miro burst. Click on this Miro burst option. Click on this search and let's search in here for brainstorm. Now head over and then search in here for that and it should be able to present you several templates that you can use to brainstorm on Miro. So we also have in here other options that you can utilize. We have in here this template, another one, as well as silent brainstorming, online, canvas, and just choose right here the actual brainstorm that you want. Choose right here this roadmap, click on this use template, and then after that, this will direct me into the Miro right here. Just wait for this to successfully load, and it should be able to show you the actual template, and you can proceed to edit it however you want in their actual way in order to introduce or induce brainstorming. Now here is our actual board and this is what it will look like. So this is an example and this is the template. So let's proceed to actually head over and then let's input some details right here. You can input right here what this will be your subject as well as other things that you want for this particular brainstorming session. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.